Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to check how to use the new Friends tab in Instagram Reels and make your likes private. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. I'll show you simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Update Instagram. Open the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Instagram and tap Update if it's available. Step 2. Open the Friends tab. Open Instagram and go to the Reels section from the home screen. At the top, you'll see two tabs, Reels and Friends. Tap Friends to see what your friends liked, commented on, or reposted. Step 3. Make your likes private. Go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Open Settings and Privacy. Scroll to Who can see your content. Tap Activity in Friends tab. Choose No one to keep your likes private. Step 4. If you don't see the option, if the Activity in Friends tab option is missing, the feature hasn't been rolled out to you yet. Keep your app updated and check again later. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, leave your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more Instagram updates.